Hello, everybody. I'm Luke Kenny, and welcome to our first episode of Get Shorty right here on Z Studio. Get Shorty is all about short films. Why do you make short films? How do you make short films? And what's going to happen if you do decide to make a short film? We searched, high and low across the length and breadth of the country, and we found lots and lots of stellar short film makers and filmmakers who've made short films and sent it in to us. We selected a few finalists, and those finalist films we're going to be watching over the course of the next few episodes. Let's meet two of them. With me is Abhinav Tripathi and Mr. G.K. Desai. Welcome to the show. But Mr. G.K., you're coming from a filmmaking background.
Yeah.
So how does that? How does tell us about your background?
It happened by accident basically, and I've been a very close friend of Madhur Bhandarkar for last now 9-10 years, and you must have seen me acting in the films Page 3, Corporate, Traffic Signal. Right now, Fashion is released, and actually Deepak Nanglia, who directed this short film, he approached me during the making of Traffic Signal, and he wanted me to produce the film. And why short film? When you ask that thing, I think short film is a format of filmmaking which is really challenging. And I'm very happy that Z Studio has started this initiative for the budding talent filmmakers. I'm there as a producer. I'm like a catalyst, just giving the money part. But apart from that, the talent is of the filmmaker, basically. Yeah.
But Abhinav, tell me, did you have a producer on this?
No. I asked my dad, but he said no.
So you guys basically put in your own money.
Yes, I paid the actors with Domino's Pizza.
Lovely. Take a look at your film first, which is The Choice, which I think is quite quirky. And let's hope our viewers, enjoy the film as well. So here's The Choice. Welcome back. You were just watching The Choice, a short film created by Abhinav Tripathi. Tell me, Abhinav, there was quite a quirky ending to that situation. How did you arrive at that ending?
Well, look, at some point of time or the other, we all have wanted to blow up our office. I'm sure that you get frustrated work enough to just, make up your mind to get a bomb in there and set the roof on fire.
But in doing that, I hope you don't intend to send the message out for such individuals who are in that position to take that step.
Don't try this at home, kids. So, or colleagues.
Absolutely. Tell me, JK, have you ever wanted to blow up anybody's office?
Actually, I found his film really hilarious. I mean, Choice is a wonderful short film. I've seen nearly around 1800 short films, and I think this is one of the best. And I'm so happy that Z Studio is starting off with his film. And the guy who played that character, and he smiles, how he smiles.
So now you have to take him in one of the films.
Mr. Sure, boss, you should actually tell him, boss, you have a good, fine career, and you should pursue his career in acting. He has got a very photogenic face, a catchy face.
Well, we're going to take a break now, but when we get back, we're going to watch Mr. G.K. Desai's film, and we'll talk about that then. Hi, welcome back to Get Shorty, and we're chatting with Abhinav Tripathi and Mr. G.K. Desai. We just saw Abhinav's film in the earlier segment, and now we're going to watch Mr. Desai's film. Just before we watch it, just give us a quick assimilation of what your drive was to produce this film.
The short film which you're about to see is The Opportunist, and the idea of this film was narrated to me by the director Deepak Nanglia. He was an assistant to Madhur Bhandarkar on the sets of Traffic Signal. And he gave me this idea that, GK sir, this is a thing where a normal guy, he is actually traveling and he comes across this urchin and he gets involved in a sexual encounter basically. This was a very global kind of a subject which I thought, yes, it's worth producing and it will send a good message. Because the punchline which comes at the end can be anything, the virus can be anything. It can be an STD, it can be a gonorrhea, not necessarily it should be an HIV or whatever.
Okay.
So basically it was the human tendency towards sex basically.
Okay.
Like you in a heat of moment, somebody comes in front of you.
How primitive we are
and
as
you are
animals,
primitive and how you actually surrender to the inhibitions.
Absolutely.
How the human beings are so fragile,
Sure.
that when that thing comes and you get attracted and you just fall down, and that basically prompted me to produce it.
On that note, let's take a look at The Opportunities, which has been produced by Mr. G.K. Desai, and we'll come back and we'll discuss that film in a little more detail.
भाड़ा कितना हुआ? 23 रुपये सब. कहाँ है साहब? इतनी रात को छुट्टा कहाँ से लाएगा?
अरे यार, तुम लोग टैक्सी चलाते हो और छुट्टे के लिए मच करते हो.
पहला कस्टमर आप ही है.
एक पनवेल का टिकट देना. 10 रुपया। कभी आएगी?
प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 2 पर आती हुई लोकल 1:50 की पनवेल जाने वाली तेज लोकल है।
क्या हुआ तुम्हें? हैं? क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? हैं? ये अरे तुम रो क्यों रहे हो? हैं? कमाल है। ये क्या हुआ क्या तुम्हें? हैं? ये क्या हुआ?
मैं बहुत बीमार हूँ साहब, हम दोनों बहुत बीमार हैं साहब।
अरे क्या हुआ तुम्हें? हैं?
हमें एड्स है
Hi, I'm GK Desai, the producer of the short film The Opportunist. If you have seen the film and enjoyed it, please SMS Get Shorty 02 to 57575. Thank you.